Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to add social media icons to your Webflow project in 2025. Whether you're building a brand new site or giving your existing one a fresh upgrade, adding clear social links is a great way to connect with your visitors and make your brand more engaging. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get those clickable icons onto your web page, ready to link to any social profile you want. Let's dive right in. The great news is that you don't have to hunt down separate icons or deal with complicated setup. We already have a ready-made code prepared for you. I've placed this code conveniently in the video description so you can just scroll down and find it beneath this video. Take a moment to locate the code snippet. Once you see it, simply highlight the entire code with your mouse. Make sure you get every character, as missing even a tiny piece can cause the whole thing not to work. When you're sure you've got it all, right-click and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C if you're on a Mac. Now that you have the code copied, let's swing over to our Webflow project. Open up the page where you want the social media icons to appear. Maybe it's your homepage, your footer, or even a contact page. It's totally up to you. Think about where your visitors are most likely to look for social links. A lot of people put them in the header or footer for quick access. Next, look over to the left side panel in the Webflow Designer where all your elements are. You're going to scroll down until you spot the element called Embed. It's usually under the Add panel and the icon looks a bit like this. Go ahead and drag that embed element right onto your page, dropping it wherever you want those icons to show up. Here comes the magic part. After you drop the embed element, you'll see a big empty field pop up where you can type or paste custom code. This is where your copied code comes in handy. Place your cursor in that field and just paste your code in again. That's Ctrl+V or Command+V depending on your operating system. Don't worry if it looks like a tangle of HTML and SVG graphics. That's exactly how it's supposed to look right now. Take a moment here and double-check for any missing characters or odd gaps. If you're new to working with code, don't sweat it if it looks confusing, just trust the process. Once you're sure the code is all in there, go ahead and click the Save and Close button at the bottom of the Embed dialog. Webflow will handle the rest and magically render those icons on your page, exactly where you placed the embed element. Pause and give yourself a moment to preview your page. Open the preview mode or publish your changes and check how those icons look. Hover over them to make sure the links are working. If you see anything off, revisit the embed to make sure all the code made its way in properly. Sometimes, small issues can be fixed just by copying and pasting the code again. And that's it, you've done it. Your site now has clickable social media icons that your visitors can use to quickly jump to your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other profiles you've set up in the code. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the process or want to customize the icons further, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow Webflow tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.